Hello. Welcome to Cooking with Mahtab. Lubia Polo is one of the popular dishes that you can make with ground meat. We can also cook it with chunks of meat. Stay with me to see this delicious dish from start to finish together. To prepare the mixture for the bean rice, first get the beans ready. If you have chopped and frozen beans ready, use those. Otherwise, first wash your beans thoroughly and let the excess water drain. I used 300 grams of beans. Cut off the ends, and you can chop them into 1 or 2 centimeter pieces or even smaller, which is entirely up to your preference. Then put the chopped beans in some water in a pot, about half a cup of water, and let it cook for 20 minutes. If the heat is low and the pot is covered, the beans will be completely steamed. You don't need to add too much water. After 20 minutes, this is the result. Turn off the heat and set it aside. Missing fa so shine. Mamia. Next, pour some oil into a suitable pan and add 1 large finely chopped onion. Then sauté until fully fried. Once the onions are fried, add 250 grams of ground meat and sauté until it changes color slightly. Sage. Once the meat is sautéed, it's time to add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Sauté the spices for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Sauté the tomato paste well until it releases its color and becomes vibrant. Be careful not to burn it once it looks like in the video. Add the steamed beans and sauté. To make your meat mixture uniform, pour in 1/4 of a cup of boiling water and stir. This is your meat mixture, which is ready. Add the rice, which has been soaked in water and salt for a few hours, to the pot of boiling water. I soaked 2 half French cups of rice and added it. And for this amount, I used 300 g of beans. For mixed rice dishes, you should drain the rice a bit firmer so it doesn't become mushy. Pour some oil into a suitable pot and add some turmeric to make the bottom layer more colorful. Now use any type of bottom layer you like. I use potatoes. Now just layer some of the drained rice into the pot. Then a layer of the meat mixture, and again the drained rice, and repeat this process. Layer by layer until all your ingredients are used up at the end. For better steaming, make a few holes on the surface of the rice as shown in the video. Then add 30 grams of butter. Place the steam cloth on the pot lid, close the pot lid, and place the pot on the heat initially. Increase the gas heat relatively high for just 2 minutes so that the rice steams up and the bottom layer gets fried. Please pay attention to the time I mentioned. Just 2 minutes, no more. After 2 minutes, definitely reduce the heat and let it steam on a suitable flame for 45 minutes to a maximum of 1 hour. After the mentioned time, your incredibly delicious rice is ready. Stir and mix slowly, then pour it into a serving dish and enjoy it with your golden and colorful tahdig. I hope you make it and enjoy. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you follow the Cooking with Mahtab channel and stay with me.